Hi guys! For today's video, we will make fast and easy Italian recipe called Piadina. Piadina is originated from the region of Emilia, Romagna. It is their famous street food wherein you can put everything you want, like prosciutto with mozzarella or salsicce with mozzarella. I prefer to put tomato sauce and mozzarella. It seems like a pizza. And those who like to eat sweets, you can put also chocolate cream. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin! First, we will put together the milk and water. We will put in a medium fire to make it warm. While waiting for the milk and the water to be warm, we will prepare our other ingredients. Flour, salt, and oil. Then we should mix it. Okay. Now let's put our milk and water mixture warm. Then mix. Until it's getting smooth. Para ka lang naglalaba, guys. Diba? Alright. Here it is. Now we should weigh in the pasta. So we have 799, which is, we can divide into 8 parts. 100 grams each. Okay, now let's make a ball. Okay. You should close it so no air. And then a bit of massage. Okay. To form it a ball. Okay. Now it's time for the rolling pin. So we will make it flat. make it round. So as you can see guys, my hand is almost visible. Look. So it's so thin. Then you can set aside for later. Set aside it. Then let's make another one. So now let's put our piadina in a heated pan, medium fire. Okay, we will flip it after around 40 seconds. And now we will prepare our tomato sauce. So before, we will put a bit of salt to taste, and a bit of oil. Okay. Let's mix it well. Now I will make like a pizza margherita because this is my favorite. So I'm using our homemade tomato sauce. And then let's top a bit of mozzarella. Okay. And oil, bit of oil. And now guys, I will put salsiche. This is a pork meat. We already cooked well before putting it. So salsiccia is a bit similar to our longanisa. Yeah. So you can use also longanisa. Then you can add mozzarella. And then you should flip it, close it. So now we have also here our prosciutto, or commonly known as ham. So you can put our ham there too. So then we will add also mozzarella. And then again we will flip, we will close it. Then we will cook in oven for until the mozzarella melted.